In this practice, we are going to move in 3 directions. First east, then south, then we're going to go west. Repeat 2 times, east, then repeat 2 times again, south, another 2 times, west. And run. In this practice, if you notice, those look like stair steps. So first, we are going to program only one step, which is the L over here. So it's going to move this way, 1 time this way, and then 1 time south. So if I do that move, and I count it, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to use a repeat 3, put those inside it. In this practice, we want to go south first, and then we're going to move 3 times this way. So this is a repeat 3 times, east, another repeat, we're going down, which is south.